Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today's a very nice hot day. I mean, it's not too hot, but it's a nice day to work in. Everybody's working around. People are paving on the over there. People are roofing on that side. And wherever I'm going, there's everybody outside working. It's a very nice day, except for we're not having such a nice day here. We already tried to mow 2 properties. I went to the first property and we didn't leave that property for another hour and a half. And I'm gonna tell you why, because so that new mower I just got, the brand new Titan Max 60-inch, it wouldn't start at first, and then I kind of gave it a break, and then the weed whacker, we were having throttle cable issues, we had to get it adjusted, so that took a little bit of time. And then finally when I got the mower started, I got mowing, and then I went on a hill, and then it kept just shutting off on me. I was like, what is going on? And I finally just did not want to go any farther. I decided had to change it out for the other mower, so it took a little bit longer to do the property. We had to go finish up another property on the way, and then finally got home, and I realized that oil was way too high, and that's why it was bogging and it was burning when it was on the hill, because the engine went down and the oil got in the cylinder. And so now I got the oil changed and it is all ready, set and go. I already tested it. I went up on the steep ramp here, so right here is pretty steep, as you can see, and you might not be able to tell as much in the camera, but it's steep enough. Like before, it wouldn't even go like half as steep as that is. So now it's all good. We got new oil in it. So our air filter was really clogged, and I was just doing a bad job at maintenance it. And it was at maybe almost 200 hours, and I don't think the last guy I bought it from maintained it since he bought it. So that could be the reason why. But I'm still confused why the oil was a little bit on the high side, because it was fine 2 weeks ago. So I guess we'll see what happens in the rest of the day. All right, we're getting things going now. We got 3 guys. We just busted out this property. We did 3 properties already, and it's only been, I think, like an hour. So there we go. We got 2 mowers and weed whacker guy. We got our trainee. Want to show off this little stripage here. So we got, it's following along with the deck in the house, and it just looks so good. I love showing off this property because we got these nice whole yard of stripes, and then look at the stuff we can do back here. It just makes it look so good. Like normally if we just straight stripe it, you can't even tell anything. This make it look really good. So like if you have an area like this, like especially this area, like everything just goes along with it, and it looks so good like that. And then over here we got the normal straight stripes. Over here on this hill, we usually have a push mow. As you can see, it's like a little bit different. It looks like, you know, we got some hay on the side. That's because of the push mower. It clumps up more than the rider does in the zero turns. So this side I kind of zero turned a little bit, and this one was all the push mower. Cleaning off all the houses on the where the grass blows on it. Don't want to have it looking ugly and ruining the house. Ruins all the wood, and it's not good. You want to always clean off your grass clippings. I try to avoid blowing at the house as much as I can, but you know, grass is gonna go where it's gonna go, and sometimes you gotta just clean them off too. My grass is so long, it's only been a week. That looks a lot. But you also got a big, that's a big mower. Compared to that other one? Yeah, this one looks better. Well, no, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, like, you know, when I get on sorry if my video and audio quality is bad right now, but I just barely finished up and backed up the trailer. So that's how late it is. It's all dark. It's probably like 8 o'clock right now, and we just got back. So you know, it's been a long day. I mean, it's been an hour since I finished on my last property, but I had another property I usually do by myself, and I didn't have to do that one today. So I chatted with her a little bit. So I mean, I ended around 7 o'clock, which honestly turned out so good compared to what I thought it was going to be. And it was so good that we ended up having an extra hand for today, and it just all worked out eventually. But well, that's kind of the game of lawn care. Sometimes, you know, you have things that go wrong, like anything in life. I mean, not every day is gonna go perfect, and well, today was just one of those, and it actually ended up working out anyways. We got the mower fixed, and we got it all the properties done today. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, as I'll have more content coming out just like this one, and I'll have more real estate and investment financial stuff kind of like that, because that's the kind of stuff I'm into. So if you're into that, just hit that subscribe button and join. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.